Hello, Angus here, and today we're going to do a little versus video for content creators. This is the Rolling Square Edge Pro, and this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. I keep wanting to say Osmo Pocket. I also have the Osmo Pocket, which is cool. This is a mobile phone gimbal, so you clip that onto your phone, click that there. Oh my god, that magnet is super strong. That fits on your mobile, and then you can steer this about and control this and do loads of wonderful things. Really good for content creating. Comes with this little tripod stand that also doubles up as a holder, and then you got a bit of a selfie stick hidden in there. You can do front facing, facing away. You got loads of modes. Someone else will do a better review of this product. It's cool. I bought it in Argos for £134, and it's really cool for content creating. It takes a little second to set up, comes in a lovely little bag, and it does need to be charged. But I just want to do it versus this. This is the Rolling Square Edge Pro, which is a mobile phone accessory that you can click on the side of your MacBook, and you click your phone there. You can click that on your phone. That's magnetic, so it clicks onto other magnetic surfaces. I use it in the gym a lot to film because it just clicks on things and it just stays there, and it also just works as a stand, so you can just leave it in places and click your phone. Also have it near where I leave my phone where I'm playing music in the gym. Clicks there with a wireless charger thing that clicks on it. And I also use it, comes with a light accessory. I click the light and then in my pocket like that when I'm going for a walk at night. So this thing is super handy. It's obviously way cheaper than the Osmo Mobile. Yes, you can do way more fancy stuff with the Osmo Mobile, but sometimes as a content creator, you just want to film a video and get it done, and you don't want to mess about with too much camera stuff. So the Osmo Pocket's great for B-roll, it's great for filming, it's great when you really want to do something productive. But when you just want to do something quick and easy, this is cool, especially in a gym setting where you got a lot of metal things that this can click to, or benches that can sit on, and you put your mobile phone. Landscape or portrait, you can do landscape or portrait with the Osmo Pocket. So this is just two different products that are really handy for content creating, and this is something that you might not have seen before or heard before. DJI is obviously huge in the space and their products are quality, and the mobile is awesome, but I still find myself using this a lot for filmmaking just because it's so handy and easy to pop on a table. I normally have it where I'm recording in here, click it, but obviously I've got it in my hand and I've got this phone propped up on things just now. So if you're using your mobile phone to create a lot of videos and you want something quick and easy, that is a nice pocket accessory to take out, flip open, and stick in areas to use as a mobile phone stand and do different things and click it on different surfaces to get funny little angles. This DJI Mobile 6 is just an incredible bit of kit, but a bit more expensive. I've got a discount code for this. I'll pop that in the description box below. If I get a discount code for this, because I do have a DJI one, I'll pop that also in the description box below. Let me know what you think of these, and are you even interested in content creation type videos? Anyway, Angus out, and I'll check you guys in the next one.